how to fix Facebook Reels option not showing. Hello guys, welcome back to this new video. I'm gonna show you how to fix Facebook Reels option not showing easily and fast fix it. So all what you wanna do here to fix this problem is actually so easy. First thing you wanna do is open the Play Store or the App Store if you have iPhone, and then go to the top here, click on the search bar and search for Facebook. After that you will find this update option right here. All what you want to do now is click on it and then wait a few seconds. It will get updated into the latest version, and after your Facebook app gets updated you will find the Reels option in the settings right there. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you very much for watching this tutorial until the very end. See you later.